See, the double shot in some of these is a bit off. Well, this has the standard Keychron double shot. It's not a great job, but it's there. And then the shift key here also has it, which is good. Again, Keychron's double shot, but it only covers the top and not the sides. And then the enter key, which doesn't fully cover it. It only has enough for the legending. And then after that, it's not really what I would consider double shot. But then even worse, here's the space bar. And there's nothing in it whatsoever. It's just the plain outside mold. So I don't know if this is standard for all the OSA sets or if it's just my set here.